Good day, sir. I'm General Milton Dag, 32D, Assignment 8, Oral Recitation. Warrantless arrest. When is an arrest without a warrant lawful? Arrest without warrant when lawful. Section 5, Rule 113, Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure. A peace officer or a private person may without a warrant arrest a person. A. When in his presence the person to be arrested has committed, is actually committing, or is attempting to commit an offense. Kung sa kanyang presensya ang taong hulihin gumawa, kasalukuyang gumagawa o nagtangkang gumawa ng krimen. B. When an offense has in fact just been committed and he has probable cause to believe, based on the personal knowledge of facts and circumstances, that the person to be arrested has committed it. Kung ang isang krimen ay katunayan bagong lang ginawa at meron siyang probable cause to believe na base sa kanyang personal na kalaman sa mga pangyayari na ang taong hulihin ay gumawa nito. C. When the person to be arrested is a prisoner who has escaped from a penal establishment or place where he is serving final judgment or temporarily confirmed while his case is pending, or has escaped while being transferred from one confinement to another. Kung ang taong hulihin ay isang pugante. Paragraphs A and B refer to cases when a suspect is caught in flagrante delicto or immediately thereafter, while paragraph C refers to escaping prisoners. 2. What does the phrase in his presence mean? The phrase in his presence in a paragraph A construed when the officer say the offense being committed although at a distance, or hears the disturbance created thereby and proceed at once to the scenes thereof, or when the offense is continuing or has not been consummated at the time the arrest is made. The offense is said to be committed in his presence. Ang pariralang in his presence sa talata A ay may pakahulugan na kung ang alagad ng batas ay nakakita ng isang krimen ay ginawa kahit na sa malayo, o nakakarinig ng kaguluhan bunga ng krimen at pumunta kaagad sa pinangyarihan, o kung ang krimen ay nagpatuloy o hindi kaagad makumpleto sa panahon na ginawa ang paghuli, ang krimen ay sinasabing ginawa sa kanyang presensya. 3. Is personal knowledge required? Under Section 5, Rule 13 of the Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure, an officer arresting a person who has just been committed an offense must be probable cause to believe, based on a personal knowledge of fact and circumstances, that the person to be arrested has committed it. Sa ilalim ng Section 5, Rule 13 ng Revised Rules of Criminal Procedure, ang alagad ng batas na humuli sa isang taong bago lang gumawa ng krimen ay dapat may probable cause to believe na base sa kanyang personal na kalaman sa mga pangyayari na ang taong huliin ay siyang gumawa nito. 4. What is probable cause in warrantless arrest? Probable cause can be defined as such facts and circumstances which could lead a reasonably discreet and prudent man to believe that an offense has been committed and that the object sought in connection with the offense are the place sought to be searched. Ang probable cause ay mga katotohanan na pangyayari na pumatnubay sa isang taong may mga tuwiran at maingat na katalinuhan sa pagtitiwala ng isang krimen ay ginawa, at na ang bagay na hinahanap na may kaugnay sa krimen ay nasa lugar ng gustong masiyasat. What are examples of probable cause? Probable cause was found to be present in the following instance. A. Where the distinctive odor of marijuana emanated from the plastic bag carried by the accused. kung saan ang natatanging amoy ng marijuana ay umalingasaw mula sa plastic bag na bitbit ng akusado. B. Where an informer positively identified the accused who was observed to be acting suspiciously. Kung saan ang isang informer ay positibong kinilala ang akusado na nakita kumikilos ng kahina-hinala. C. Where the accused who were riding a jeepney were stopped and searched by policemen who had earlier received confidential reports that said the accused would transport a quantity of marijuana. Kung saan ang mga akusado na nakasakay sa jeep ay pinananang sinisiyasat ng mga pulis na nauna nang nakatanggap ng lihim na ulat na ang mga nabanggit na akusado ay magdadala ng marijuana. 6. Is there arbitrary detention through imprudence? The crime arbitrary detention can be committed through imprudence. Situational analysis of arbitrary detention through negligence. The chief of police arrested a woman who had been released by means of a verbal order of the justice of the peace. The accused act without malice, but he should have verified the order of release before proceeding to make the rearrest. The crime committed by the chief of police is arbitrary detention through simple negligence provided for and punished under Art 365 paragraph 2 of the revised penal code in connection with article 124 part 1 of the same code.